Hello and welcome to today's video. I'm Felix Quinkwer, the head of AI at Maekersuite, and over the last few weeks we've been working hard on developing the scriptwriter. So the scriptwriter can be found if you go to the Maekersuite homepage and click on this Create Project button under the Get Your Script category. Alternatively, if you've already got an exploration, you can also get to the same page by clicking the Create Project button up here. So let's say we do this. In the case of doing it from an exploration, you will already have things like the title and the target audience filled in. If you click on it from the homepage, you will have to fill those in yourself. We can then choose the tone. In this case, we want an informational video, which is a guide to choosing the perfect camera, and the video length should be 10 plus minutes. And let's say our project goal is to just grow our audience, get more subscribers, then we'll enter that over here. And now we have to describe what we do ourselves. So I'm just going to stick with what the placeholder says. So let's say we're camera review YT, a YouTuber specializing in budget and entry-level camera reviews. So there we go. And from here, we can then click Generate Outline, which is going to start to create an outline for us. So let's go click on this, and now it's going to go through a couple of different steps. This might take a while, so it can take up to a minute. So I'm just going to wait and meet you back once it's done. So see you in a second. All right, so now the outline generation is done, and we can see that it has come up with an outline about the video. So what we've got here is a rough idea of what we might want to talk about. We can then also edit this freely. So let's say I don't really care so much about talking about evaluating the connectivity. I can simply go ahead and delete that section. I can also move them around. So let's say I want to take section 6, budget considerations. I can cut and place it towards the start and paste it back in. Of course, I would have to then also rename the order of the sections, which is somewhat annoying, but there we go. And I can, of course, also add new points. So let's say budget consideration, or let's say here, talk about cameras like e.g. Sony Alpha 6400. Whatever you want, you're completely free to edit it, and then you're just going to hit this Write Script button, which will go and proceed to actually write the script for you. Now, once you've hit this, you'll get this pop-up telling you that the script writing is in progress. The script writing can take up to 10 or 15 minutes. Usually it should be done within around 5, but it's a fairly complex process with a lot of iterations and revisions and optimization going on, so it can take some time. But yeah, you can just click on back to home and use the product like normal, and you can see that the script here is in the process of generating, and once it's done, you'll get a little notification that it has finished, and you'll be able to go review it. So I'm just going to skip right ahead to that step, and I'll see you in about 10 minutes. All right, welcome back. So as we can see, we've now got a script that is done, and we can then simply hit the View Project button, which is going to pop up the fully written script. And here we got the script. So here it, of course, talks about all of the different things that we've specified in the outline. It is possible that occasionally it has some placeholders. So if it doesn't know, for instance, how much the Sony a6400 weighs, it might just mark it with X's. So that's stuff that you can fill in later on. And you will, of course, always have to go through the script, make sure that it's actually suitable for what you would need. But other than that, you've now got the fully written script, and you can follow this up with editing the script using the Ask AI section or any of the quick actions, which is something that we'll be covering in another video that should be linked down below. I hope that helped you understand how you can use the Maekersuite write script functionality to write video scripts very fast and very easily and skip hours of pre-production work. Thanks so much for listening, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.